Yep, we have a pregnant sow in our hands. I guess we're in it for the next few months until we can sell them. Until we can sell the piglets. I hope you're a good mother, girl. I moved the pig back here closer to the chickens into the dog kennel. We'll be able to secure it for piglets better. It'll be closer to where we feed the chickens, so not as much hassle. Wow, this is exciting. But it's going to be 3 more months of dealing with pigs before we can sell them. Blue, Shammy, what do y'all think? She's gonna have her baby soon, huh? So let's go ahead and rotate it clockwise so that the north will be on this side and we can have protection from the cool breeze. Guys, guess what? We have piglets.
Oh. What?
Put on some boots and come see.
Yo.
Guess what, Mom? We have piglets.
Oh, cool.
Come see. Guess what? We have piglets.
Yo.
She's having one now.
Yeah. I guess you'll have more.
Yeah. Looks like there's only 3, huh, guys?
Someone told me they can have as many as 16.
Wow. Since this is her first time, she probably won't have as many. But I would imagine she would have at least 6. Seven little piggies. Wow. This is exciting. We've never raised pigs before. Doing a good job, Mama. audio of this. I don't know if you're gonna hear it. Just think of. This is the enclosure that the piglets were born in, and they started finding holes in the bottom and going in and out, and that was fine for a while, but when they got bigger we just needed a better spot to put them. So we fortified the duck house and put the piglets in here. We posted the piglets on Craigslist and we didn't get any replies, but after a few days they all sold, all 7, in a matter of about 3 days from just 2 customers, from just 2 people. So that was exciting. But one day Simeon came out here to feed the mama and she was dead. Not sure what happened. The weather was pretty warm. Someone told me that they remember as a child that sometimes their dad would have a pig or 2 that would die in the summer. They don't know if it was food bloating in the belly from the heat or what, but that was really disappointing. All of that meat, we were going to harvest her if she didn't sell, and she wasn't selling, and it was just all done. She just died right there.
It's been quite a journey with these pigs, and we're thankful that we got some meat from them, and we learned a lot from them, and we sold some of the piglets. So we probably want to have pigs again.